Minista wa githomo Amina Mohammed ni atongoririe maabitha matiganite kuma ministry ya githomo kunyabara mihango ya kigeranio gya KCSE na kiria kiingirite thiku ya kana umuthi kuria Amina mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang na muikariri giti wa kanju ya igeranio George Magoha megwikinyitie mwena wa Lang'ata guku Nairobi. Minista wa githomo Amina Mohammed augite Ekuirwo eeri nguthi aria makoretwo magitabania wuici wa igeranio ni maraikirio ngono muthenya wa ira na marokio igoti-ini muthenya wa umuthi.
The two were hunted down last night after a long and meticulous investigative process. I wish to promise that these two suspects, who are expected in court today, must serve to show that the existing stringent examination security measures will net all cheats wherever they hide, and they will be dealt with very harshly.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang akiuga makoretwo magiethana na Ekuirwo ya kwa ihinda.
For the last 2 years, these are the people who have been leading the rings that are very dangerous, and it is good that they are now being apprehended.
Nake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni ekinyirie thukuru-ini wa Moi Girls na kuriugiria atongoria kuma thirikari-ini ni manyitanire niguo gutigirira mihango ya igeranio ndina tharario.
As parents, we are confident that these exams will be exams that we will be proud of, that integrity becomes the front and center of these exams.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Kitui anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo ni mamakite ni riboti ati arutwo matanyihiire 113 aria mareka kigeranio gya KCSE 41 ao ni magite ciana na angi 72 metereire kugia ciana ndagika oro yothe kigeranio gigithiaga na mbere toria Atano Salesa uri ni murugamiriri wa githomo kaunti-ini yo aratariria.
For people who will be found culpable, if there are those within our reach, that is any teacher is involved, we are assuring you that disciplinary action will be taken in line with the TSC Code of Regulation.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Kakamega arutani atano a thukuru wa mundu kiumbe wa Shamta ni makinyiri igoti-ini na mahitia ma kugeria kuiya kigeranio gukirikana atano aya makorereirio ni maabitha githomo makihia arutwo anja cia kigeranio cioro-ini cia arutwo. Atano aya ni mareganire na thitango iyo na kuria marekereirio na mbeca baribari ciringi 50,000 o mundu na kuria cira uyu kagwetwo tariki 20 mweri uyu. Akiaria ari mwena wa Lang'ata, Amina augite kuri na maundu mabati guthingatwo riri kigeranio kirathi na mbere guku akiuga arutani aria nyumba ciao ikoretwo ikihuthika hari guthoga na gubanga njama ya wuici wa igeranio ni megutacukirio makinya macacu ma kiwatho.
Teachers whose houses are used for any illegal purpose will be sent away, and the houses will be closed as crime scenes until all investigations are over. They will also be prosecuted.
Amina augite gukinyiria riu gutire kigeranio kiyitwo na gitikuyo guku akiuria nyitite miothe kuruta wira wao na wuigiririki niguo kigeranio gitigatharario na njira oro yothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mutamburoko wa mohoro niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mwirorei.